Peace everyone, this is Sakina Kasmi, your digital girl, and today I'm gonna show you how you can create a simple checkout page to collect payments so you don't have to wait for days to just collect payments, or if you're wondering it's too difficult to just connect your Stripe with GoHighLevel. So let's get started, and we are going to create a similar page that you are um, seeing on the screen, and you can always replace with a service or with a product of your choice here, and the images and what is included. So let's get started. We are going to build from scratch, and let's say if it's just a simple checkout page and no landing page, you just want to share a link with someone where they can see okay what they're getting, and they can simply make the payment straight away. We're also going to create an automation so that as soon as they make the payments, you get notified, and they also get a confirmation along with the receipt. Check out page. Now you can add offer name. Okay, let's start from scratch, from blank. Let's add full width, and I'm gonna add two columns. So here we are going to add checkout form. Before we do that, I want to share that we have two type of checkouts, or two type of order based forms, one step and two step. So I'm gonna add both here just to explain what's the benefit of using two step and one step. So you can see the difference that in the two step order form, you have two steps. In the first step you can add information and then shipping. In the second step they are going to share their credit card or card details to make the payments. In step one order form, all the items, all the steps are in the same form, so they don't have to click twice. So the benefit of using um, two-step order form is, for example, they fill out this first step and they go to second step, but for some reason they don't actually make the payments, but still got their name and email and phone number in your system. You can follow up with them, and you can still nudge them to purchase because they were interested, and these are warm leads. So you can use step one. For example, if you have a funnel with a lead magnet page, and in step two you have a sorry, in the step two you have a sales page, a checkout form. So there you don't have to add two step. You can simply add simple checkout page, and they can just make payments because still have their details in the previous step, which was your lead magnet. So in this step, we are just going to use single order form. I'm going to remove this. Let's add a heading, which can be offer name. Let's add image, which can be a showcase image. Then let's add subheading, and you can add a few lines if you want about the product. I'm gonna just add, and then we are going to add bullet points where you can add the benefits or what the product has. So now in this step where we have this order form, we can remove the unnecessary items. For example, we don't want company name, so let's hide company name. Also, we don't want full name validation because then it restricts them. So by default, let's just hide this and make sure the font country code is enabled because it will help them write down the correct number. We are not going to use show shipping here because this is a digital product. So assuming that you are selling a digital product, you can just hide shipping. It's a physical product, then you can show shipping. So I'm gonna just hide. Now you can see that it's very short, which is good. I'm just gonna change the text font color. Where was it? Let's change and let's add an image if I have any image of a product. Let's say this is the product we have. I'm gonna reduce the width. So this is our simple checkout page that you can use to collect payments. Make sure the SEO is updated. Let's say it's offer name slash your biz name, and you can add the description about the product description. Not too long, but just a short tagline. Author name, here you can add your name, and the social image can be of the product or your business logo. Let's update, hit save, and then you can publish. Because we haven't connected any domain, so it's not published. Let's go back, and you can also check mobile version. It's good so far. Now let's go back. So our checkout page is created. We just need to create as another page, which is the order confirmation. So I'm gonna just duplicate this just to save some time because we are going to just use the heading and an auto confirmation widget or element. Let's rename this to order confirmation, or you can say thank you purchase. Okay, now let's edit this. We have to add this page, otherwise our when they make the purchase, the page will just show an error because it's not going anywhere. I'm going to just remove this, remove all this, and you can add a footer of your choice. You can add your biz name, all rights reserved, and here we are going to add congratulations, or thank you for your purchase, and we can say here is your order details. The confirmation email is sent to your inbox or spam folder. We are going to add order confirmation element, and we don't need shipping details, so I'm gonna just hide this, and that's it. If you want to add spacing, you can do so, and we are going to remove the background. Let's add a background. So that it's not to static. If you want to add some spacing in between, you can do so. So this is our thank you page. You can also update the details as thank you, purchase. The important steps are like how to create the checkout page. So if you want to collect payments, you can just create a quickly short checkout page and you can share this. There are other methods where you can collect payments, but if you just want to share a checkout page to be more professional and it has more details of the product and the image, then this is the best way. So now the second step is create a product because we already have the product, but I'm still going to show you so you can create a new product for yourself. Okay, this is going to take time. Okay, while it loads, I'm gonna just go to automation because we are going to have to create one. Let's create a new automation from scratch and let's name it product purchase confirmation email. So let's add a trigger and the trigger will be order submitted and we are going to select the product. We're going to add filters and it will give us the filter option here, which is the global product. So I'm gonna just select demo product, save trigger. We will change this once I create a different product. The first thing we are going to add action is tag, and the tag can be purchased demo product. You can name your product here. Second step will be send an email to customer. So if you have created a template, you can select that. So I have this demo starter kit. I'm gonna just use that. You can watch our previous video to see how to create a template email, and then we can select notification email so that you are going to notify for every new sale. So let's add user type or custom email. You can add your email. Subject, got new sale. Hey, you got a new sale. Here is the detail. So you can add as detail, you can add contact details, contact name, contact email. Contact phone is not important, but let's go to order and order total so that you can see the value of the sale. Let's save. Oh, okay, we need to add the email. I'm gonna just use particular user and let's save this. So we are going to publish this now. Save. Okay, the product is not showing up for some reason. We have created an automation which will be triggered as soon as someone makes a purchase on the checkout that we created. All we have to do is link the product. Let's go to the page again. So the product page is here. I'm gonna just create a product really quick. Let's name it demo product 2. Add a price, which is I'm gonna just change the currency. You can also create a product in any currency you want. So it's for $45 and save. You can add the pricing name. So the product is created. Let's go to our page that we created and it was checkout page funnel. Now let's go to products, add a product. Now you will see here, let's select demo product 2 and the price was this, save. Now remember that we haven't added this product as the trigger, so we are going to change in the workflow and we have to select demo product 2. Let's refresh. I'm going to repeat the steps that we did as a checklist for you. Let's change the trigger first. Okay. Yep. Product 2. Save trigger. So our automation is done, the page is done, product is connected. So what we did here is we created a small sales funnel with a checkout page and an order confirmation. We created an automation with the trigger so that when someone make a purchase, you get notified, the customer get tagged, and they also get an email. Then we also created a product and connected that product with this page. So all the important steps are done. Now the last step was testing the funnel. We cannot test because the payment is not integrated to this sub account. So you can do a test by just enabling the payment mode to test more, save, and make a test purchase. So we are going to test that in a separate video with our real funnel. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe and stay tuned for more tutorials. Thank you.